Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we are doing a very quick video on how to make your callouts OneSync compatible. So a lot of people have been asking, what in the world, how do callouts work with OneSync? Well, let's just explain a little bit about OneSync first. So OneSync is the FiveM version of like optimization. So the way it works is, unfortunately, it does get in the way of some different callouts and stuff because the PEDs that you're spawning are spawning before the players are within range, so OneSync disables them for performance reasons. So pretty much there's just an easy fix. I would like to shout out the person on the forums who went over this. I don't have your exact name on hand, but I will put a link to the thread that went over how to make all these compatible. I really do appreciate it because a lot of people do want this. So another quick note, all of our callouts are now open source, so if you wish to literally use any of them or customize them to your liking or use them as a base, you are feel free to. They're all on our GitHub, also linked in the description. So it's pretty easy to go ahead and make your callouts OneSync compatible. So I just gone here to my beach callout pack, and anything you have in the onAccept method. So you can see in our onAccept method, by default, we're actually spawning the PEDs and setting their data right when you accept the callout. Now the problem with this is in normal FiveM without OneSync, this would work fine because the PEDs don't despawn. But because it's OneSync, and since the player probably is not near that location, like close enough, they're actually going to go ahead and despawn. So pretty much what we have to do is we're just going to copy everything other than the initiate, the blip, and the update data method, and we're just going to move this right under our onStart method in the onStart thing, and you can see, paste it in, we don't get errors. If you get errors, it's probably because you have duplicated player data or something like that. Just go ahead and fix those errors based on what you've learned in the past few episodes. But you can see here, we now spawn the PEDs, set their data, and tell them what to do the second the person arrives on the scene. So onStart's called right when you arrive on the scene. And the reason that we're actually putting this all here is because if the player spawns when you arrive on the scene, it will actually go ahead and allow OneSync compatibility because it's not despawning when you're so far away. So hopefully this did help you. All you have to do after this is build it and put it in your server. It should function almost exactly how it would be originally, like if you didn't have OneSync enabled. It still works on non-OneSync servers, so it doesn't matter. It's not just for OneSync. It can work for not OneSync servers as well. And obviously, if you have any problems with it, go ahead and message on the forums. They can really help you out there. I'll leave a link to the support docs and everything as well. So thank you so much for hanging out with us. Hopefully this does help you understand how to do this, and I hope it just shines light on some other stuff. So I'll see you in 2 days for the next video. Have a great weekend, everyone.